Okay. What we have ourselves is a 750. Offsets. You see the lip. What kind of offsets is them though? Them forges? Oh, BMW offset. Cheap shit. But this is 750. So we got to get it on here. And she got the camera and the license plate. You see the camera right there. Camera and license plate. Yeah. 750 BMW. Offset rims. At Jordan Lane. Goddamn the center.